Sicon CIS is an accredited solution handling the calculation, deduction and submission requirements for both the HMRC and Irish Revenue. For companies submitting to HMRC, this solution enables users to verify their subcontractor details and submit a return directly within Sage 200. Those dealing with the Irish Revenue will require Sicon Projects as an additional module. This combination connects directly to the Revenue Online Service (ROS) and allows for contract details to be submitted. The SIN is recorded against the appropriate Sicon project, with notifications sent to ROS upon supplier payments. Also included are methods for making a deduction for the CITB levy, either by the company or the subcontractor. Key features. Fully integrated with Sage 200. Sicon CIS is installed and maintained within Sage 200, meaning the modules look, feel and act as part of Sage 200. HMRC accredited. Sicon CIS has gained HMRC recognition, having proved the ability to file a valid form or return, CIS 300. For more information, please visit the HMRC website. Easy to use. Sicon CIS is written within the Sage 200 development environment using the Sage business objects to control the transaction posting and utilising the latest Microsoft technologies for user interface. Key benefits. The CIS module can be purchased standalone or included as part of the construction suite. Note: RCT requires Sicon projects. Suppliers can be flagged as CIS or RCT subcontractors with relevant details recorded directly against them. When entering a purchase invoice for a supplier flagged as a CIS subcontractor, the system will automatically create a purchase credit for the tax based on the labour. The supplier's public liability insurance number can be stored against their record along with an expiry date. A user prompt will appear on transaction entry if the subcontractor's public liability insurance is due to expire within a predetermined date range. Sicon CIS, Sage 200, is compliant with the March 2021 reverse charge VAT changes. This is just a sample of the functionality that's available. For more information, please refer to our website www.sicon.co.uk.